I just wanted to show you guys all the Valentine's goodies they have for $1 and $2. Check it out if you got little kiddles.
So hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. We went to Walmart. Let's see what we got. Mom picked up two boxes of gallon-sized freezer Ziploc bags. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, there's a great way to vacuum seal these in cold water. So follow me on Instagram, so check that out. And if you don't follow me on Instagram and you want to know how to do it, just leave it in the comments down below. And she got one sandwich size, 152 count Ziploc bags. Now, I love these. If you guys have not seen these, Fridge Fresh from Arm & Hammer, these are all like an open, almost like a coffee filter. That's what it reminds me of. And it's full of baking soda, and you stick it to the side of your refrigerator. You write on it what date you put it, and it's changed every 30 days, which honestly, it lasts longer than 30 days for me. And I usually put one in my freezer and one in my refrigerator, but I only got one. We got the cat some food. She really likes this tuna blends. This is a 8-pack of each. And she really likes this from Meow Mix. This is the single serve cups. If you've been around for a while, I got a free sample from Pinch Me, and she just fell in love ever since. Mom got 3 boxes of puffs. This is without lotion. She likes these especially. And her Viactive Calcium Plus D, the caramel flavor. Jim needed another cherry generic equate value brand of NyQuil. It's 8 ounces. We needed some allergy medicine, so this is the generic for Zyrtec. That is upside down. This is the generic for Zyrtec. You get 14 for 88 cents. Jim needed some 450 milligram vitamin E. There's 100 gel tabs in there. And I needed some stool softener. This is 120 tablets. This is... Sorry, I'm trying to read it. Looks like... because it's a combination. Okay. That's the wrong one. Echinacea Golden Seal for Jim. Jim takes this every day to keep his immune system healthy. 5 milligram melatonin tablets. We take these every night for sleep support. Jim got a daily planner. This one just happens to start in October 2017, but it's all the way off 2018. He liked this one. The one he got from Aldi's was nice, but he wants this one because it's got a daily planner. But I'm pretty sure for Jim, a planner is like nail polish for some women, where you just like, I just have to pick up one when I'm there. We got some no yolks extra broad egg noodles. Jim got 2 boxes of his favorite brown sugar cinnamon unfrosted Pop-Tarts. They're very hard to come by, so when we get them, he picks up a couple boxes. Mom got her 12-pack of Just Crunchy Cheetos. They're like the mini bags. And a bag of Tostito bite-size tortilla chips. This is 13-ounce bag. Mom gets the fragrance-free scoopable special kitty 14-pound. And she also uses the ooh, that's dark. Sorry. The Johnny Cat Jumbo liners. You get 5 liners in there. They're 3 feet by 18 inches by 2 millimeters. Sorry. We got some of the Hungry Jack. These is what we use to make the egg quiche, breakfast quiche. Hungry Jack, this is the original hash brown potatoes. These are dry. So if you want, I can link that recipe down below so that you guys know what I'm talking about if you're new around here. Mom picked up some great value crinkle cut fries. They didn't have the Orida, so she was a little disappointed. She's going to try these. 2 of the Jimmy Dean Simple Scrambles with bacon. So she said she liked these. She tried them once before, and she really does like them. And they're just like a quick breakfast for her. She doesn't have to pick out a pan or anything. Okay, so it's 2 pre-beaten eggs, bacon crumbles, and cheddar cheese. And you put it in the microwave. 1 pouch of roasted garlic mashed potatoes from Idaho. Jim got a 64-ounce 100% grape juice from Great Value. Mom got 5 1-liter Coca-Colas. And Jim got 3 2-liter Mountain Dews. Now, and non-groceries, I needed glue sticks, so I got the AdTech 100 glue sticks. It wasn't the greatest price for all the glue sticks I could get, but I really needed them. Same thing with these staples. This is the T50. I have the Power Shot. This is 1,500 staples for $2.74. 3/8 inch is my preferred when recovering furniture. However, I do like a chisel tip, and these are not. And Walmart did not carry any chisel tip staples. So it's very sad. I got a new garment bag because I utilize a garment bag to hold on my wrapping paper. I have been for years, but the one that I have is falling apart, so I needed to replace it. That was the cheapest one they had. And over the door shoe organizer, one of you all suggested putting all of my like glue supplies and stuff in there, or everyday supplies, or whatever I wanted to do for the organization for the office. And I'm going to take you up on that, except this was the cheapest one that Walmart had, and I don't know how great it is, but they are guaranteed for, you know, if you break it fast or whatever, anyway. But this was $4.78. Why do I keep saying $7? So weird.
Mom also got this 12 count of Scott toilet paper. She likes the original. We like the soft stuff.
He's so sweet. Look, Jim's here. So that's everything. So if you have any questions about anything we got at Walmart, leave them in the comments down below. If you got... He's so silly.
That's what happens when you wake me up early.
We had to go shopping. They're redoing my Walmart to do like the... They have a new program where you scan and go. I said to Jim, they used to have it at the grocery store he worked at when he left in 2013. So the place looked like Black Friday. There was so many, they only had so many registers that they could open. Every register they had was open, but it still was like, ah.
Oh man, on there.
So, that's everything. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked everything we got from Walmart. And don't forget to share this video with friends and family. Anybody who may be interested in getting all or any of all of the stuff that we got at Walmart. And if you haven't yet, click subscribe. When you do, a little bell will pop up. When you ring that bell, YouTube will let you know whenever we upload a new video. Anything else? What?
Bell.
Bells. Ding dong. No? Anything?
Bueller?
As always, take
Bueller?
care. God bless. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. We went to Walmart and to Aldi and to the Dollar Tree today. So, got a lot of hauls for you. First, I'm going to show you Walmart.